Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad without refrigeration step by step. Start by selecting firm, low-moisture fruits such as apples, grapes, and citrus, and rinse them well. Prepare a simple acid wash with lemon or lime to slow browning. Keep pieces bite-sized and uniform for even texture. Pack servings tightly in insulated containers with a cold pack and consume within 6 hours for best safety. Choose fruits that stay crisp without refrigeration and avoid soft, overripe produce that will leak juice and spoil faster. Rinse everything thoroughly and remove damaged areas to cut contamination risk. Use citrus or mild vinegar rinses to add flavor and help preserve color. Keep pieces similar size so they dry and cool evenly in an insulated carrier. Plan portions to minimize leftovers and eat within a safe time frame. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical tips. Quick recommendation: when you're packing food for outings, consider durable gear too. Darn Tough socks come with a lifetime warranty and are perfect for hiking, picnics, and long walks to your favorite outdoor picnic spot. They stay comfortable and reduce blister risk, which pairs nicely with smart food prep. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly and keep utensils and surfaces clean to limit contamination when assembling a no-refrigeration fruit salad. Use 1 lemon or lime per pound of fruit to coat pieces lightly and protect color. Layer denser fruit at the bottom and delicate fruit on top, then press gently to minimize air pockets. Transfer to an insulated container with a cold pack and store in shade, consuming within about 6 hours for best quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.